Justworks versus Deel. Two leading HR platforms, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Justworks, streamlined payroll and HR for SMBs. On the right, Deel, global hiring made easy. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, quick roadmap. We're going to dig through global coverage, pricing, scalability, features, and support. Think of this as our little mind map for the video, so you know exactly what's coming up.
All right, first up, global coverage. So Justworks, they've got EOR in over 100 countries. And yeah, they handle localized payroll. That's pretty good for a company whose bread and butter is the US market. But here's the catch. They lean on third-party partners, so it's not always the smoothest global experience. Now, Deel. This is where things get juicy. They cover 150 plus countries, and unlike Justworks, they run a lot of the infrastructure themselves. It's seriously impressive. The downside? Prices can creep up. Still, for global domination, Deel definitely pulls ahead here.
Next, let's talk pricing, because, come on, who doesn't start by checking the price tag?
Justworks is super competitive, especially in the US. It starts at $59 per employee per month, which, honestly, is hard to beat if you just want basic HR and payroll. If you're counting pennies, Justworks makes a solid case. But Deel? They offer slick global benefits and even equity management options. Fancy. The problem is, yeah, you guessed it, prices are higher. So if money's your top concern, Justworks is the clear winner in this round.
Moving on, scalability. This one's important if you're planning to grow fast. Justworks, it's really tailored for small businesses in the US. If you want to jump to new countries, you can hit some snags. Deel, though, Deel is built for scaling. It supports huge companies and covers all the HR bits you'll ever need. The only thing is there's kind of a steep learning curve, so you'll need some time to get the hang of it. Still, Deel grabs the win here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that huge companies like Airbnb and Uber use EOR services to scale up in other countries? Seriously, these platforms are everywhere. All right, let's get into features. Justworks brings automated tax filing and benefits administration to the table. Pretty much what you expect if you're staying stateside, but don't expect much in the way of customizations. Now, Deel really shines with customizable benefits. And get this, AI-powered compliance tools. Like, what? Super high tech, but yeah, setup can be complicated. Still, Deel's got the edge with its toolkit. Last category, support. You want help when things go sideways, right? Justworks actually offers 24/7 multilingual support, but it's pretty basic when it comes to HR compliance. Deel is also available 24/7, and bonus, they've got that in-house legal team. That's pretty serious firepower for global HR. That said, Deel expects you to do more things on your own via self-service, but honestly, having a legal crew on call, hard to beat. So Deel takes it home in the support round. Let's take a quick bird's eye view with the radar chart. Justworks is consistent in the US, but Deel just spreads out and dominates across global reach, scalability, features, and support. The points really tell the story. So, who's this all for? If you're a US-based small or mid-sized business and just want your HR and payroll to stay simple, Justworks is honestly a breeze. But if you're dreaming big, going international, building teams in different countries, and need some heavy-duty tools, Deel is where it's at. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to check out our other reviews on HR solutions. There's a lot more where this came from.